Oh my god. Hello, everybody. Yeah, so I kind of went for a walk yesterday on my walker. I took Jacko here for a little walk. And I overdid a little bit. And I hurt so bad today, it's not even funny. And the bruising has just gotten off the charts. Incredible. Ugh. That was the inside of my thigh. Here's the outside. Even my last motorcycle wreck, where I was in a wheelchair for 2 years, I didn't have bruising this bad. That's fucking incredible. And I'm telling you right now, yeah, it feels as bad as it looks. If that's possible. I definitely overdid it yesterday, man. I gotta take it slow tomorrow. And I didn't do much of shit today. I had it up in the air all day with ice and pain pills and ibuprofen. I'm trying to get this shit under control, but I will be awfully glad when this shit's all over with, man. And I get to enjoy the benefits of all this agony that I've been going through in the last, oh, Jesus. It's been a long time, actually. This knee needed to be replaced when I was in my 40s, and they told me they didn't want to do it until I was in my 50s because it's so expensive and they don't want to have to do it twice because you wear them out. So I had to wait till I was in my 50s. Well, then I find the surgeon that can do it, and he can only do like three knees a month. And so I was on a waiting list for like 4 months before I could even get my appointment for this surgery. So yeah, I've been waiting a long time with bone on bone, no cartilage, knees that need to be replaced. It's been a really painful ordeal these last years, and the last few months especially, and all the hoops I've had to jump through to get this surgery, and Jesus, man, I had to go through a lot of shit just to make this happen. And the amount of pain I was in when I came out of it, I was like, Jesus. I've been in a lot of pain. I've been in a lot of wrecks and broken bones, but this, I can't even describe the hell that was when I woke up after surgery with this. And it didn't help that the doctors were low dosing me and, you know, barely creeping me up a couple milligrams at a time. It took them 3 days to get this shit under control. On the third day, they finally made me quit suffering and let me go home. It was like, why didn't you do this on the first fucking day, people? You know, I could have been home. Yeah, I don't know. I don't understand their methods. I don't understand their bullshit. But you need to listen to your patients a little more. When you got someone howling in fucking pain, nonstop, yeah, you might want to listen to them. That's just my opinion. Anywho. Anyways, folks, there's your update on the old kneecap. And Jacko, my boy. Yeah. We're getting along much better, aren't we, boy? Yeah. Finally starting to realize that this is as good as it's going to get for him, so he's got to make the best of it. I'm really glad. I know he was really upset about his owner's giving away. Man, my shin is just fucking killing me, too. It feels like someone kicked me in the shin all day long. It's felt like that. Ooh, yeah, like I said, I'll be very, very, very happy when this shit's all healed up and ready to go again. Yeah, I have no idea when that is. I got a home nurse coming tomorrow to hopefully start therapy and all that shit. Yeah, so anyway, that's the latest update, folks. Hope you all are staying healthy and happy. Until next time, peace!